Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Jessica and today I want to take you along as I make a bunny out of homemade Play-Doh. This is a great showstopper and inexpensive for Easter or just for any bunny loving kid.
So the first thing I do is make the Play-Doh, and this is the best Play-Doh ever. You'll find the recipe in the video description below, but you can also use store-bought. This recipe was passed to me from a friend who got it from an elementary school teacher. You make it on the stove. It's 1 cup flour, 1 cup water, 1/4 cup salt, 1 tablespoon vegetable oil, 2 teaspoons cream of tartar, and you mix all that up, and once it's mixed, you heat it and you just keep stirring until it gets all nice and clumped up. You let that cool, and then basically you need 9 circles of varying sizes. The biggest is for the body, and then the next biggest is for the head. Then you need 4 for the paws and 2 for the ears, and then you need some for the tail, and from the tail I take a little bit from the eyes and for the nose. And I use toothpicks for whiskers, but you don't need those. I started by forming the body and placing the head, then you sort of sculpt the paws, flatten the circles into ovals for ears, then I pinched a little bit from the tail for the eyes and gave that a drop of blue food coloring, then the nose got a little drop of red. I also made a little carrot, but that's kind of extra. And then here's the bunny hanging out in the refrigerator, waiting to surprise some small friends. Putting it in the refrigerator will definitely keep it from getting hard and drying out. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, hit the like button down below, hit the subscribe button down below. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.